In this video, we get over a foot of snow. So we build an igloo, make some hot chocolate, and go sledding. Come and join us for an adventure. That's nearly 3 feet, isn't it? $11 inches? A lot, isn't it?
How big this ice thing is! It's massive!
Alright, we've had over a foot of snow here in Cincinnati, so we're currently plowing out the driveway, and we're going to build an igloo.
That's even larger ice thingy.
Enjoying the snow.
Yeah.
It's fun, isn't it?
How big of a mountain we made. Oh wow! That's huge!
Alright, it is the next day and the snow has stopped and it's gotten colder in temperature. It's about 5 degrees out here right now. It's so cold out here. I've had to put this like turtleneck thing on, trying to keep my ears from freezing because it's getting kind of painful. Alright, this mound is about 5 feet tall. Snow at the end of the driveway is about 2 feet tall, so I'm digging it out because it's actually probably too tall to get one of the vehicles out right now. So I'm knocking that down and using it to build up the mound here for our igloo. So we basically just taken all the snow, well not all the snow, but a good chunk of the snow from the driveway and made it into a big mound. If we'd done the entire driveway, it'd be triple the size, but it's looking pretty good. We're going to carve out space in the middle here in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, we're just cutting out the middle here and then piling it up either side and just creating an entrance in there, just big enough for us to sit in there and hang out. What do you think, buddy? It's pretty nice in here, isn't it? Too bad, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, hang out in here like this.
Making a hot cocoa shelf.
Hot cocoa shelf, that sounds great. Alright, I got the driveway cleared out. We can now get the vehicles in and out to the road, and Leah's stocking up the igloo for some hot chocolate.
Got some waters, and we're supposed to mix hot chocolate pack in 2 sea salt caramel hot cocoa nuts.
Sea salt caramel sounds really good.
We also have a big shelf for cooking and making hot chocolate.
Looks good. Let's see if we can make some hot chocolate. So we're here in our igloo making hot chocolate. I've got the burner just outside the entrance. We're going to make some hot chocolate and hang out here for a little bit before the sun sets. It's very cold. hot chocolate cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alright, it's time for us to do some sledding. Okay, let's go. Oh, there goes Leo. Oh, oh man, that's quick. Alright, so it's been a couple days since it snowed, so this is all packed down pretty good. So it's extra slippery, which is really good fun. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Talk about being out of control. Whoa! Alright, time for us to do the big hill. You ready, Leah?
Yeah.
Set? Alright, let's go. Whoa. Oh man. Ooh, that's fun. So you can actually see the wreckage of people's sleds around here. You can see right there. There's some busted up pieces. We actually broke 2 of ours last year, these round ones. It was actually pretty icy after a couple of days. It had like melted, then refrozen. So it was like sliding on a sheet of ice. And I busted 2 of them. Hopefully this one stays intact, at least for the rest of the season. That looks pretty fun. All right, my turn. Woo. Oh, that's what me slowing myself down. Man. Woo. You ready?
Ready?
Set. Go.
No.
Oh no. Oh no, not on properly. Oh, got off course. Oh man. Oh, that sure is fun though. Alright, here we go. Oh, leaders off. Oh man. I can dig my feet in to stop. Oh man. Well, this is good fun.
It is, guys. It's a gigantic short bike.
Wow.
It's massive. Oh my god.
Wow, this is really deep snow here. Look how deep that is in my leg.
Oh my gosh.
Oh look, I'm stepping on it a little bit. Whoa.
Ah!
So where the snow's drifted, we're sinking into it a little bit. You can see our feet there. Whew. Whoa. See, the wind's kind of blown off of it, and you can actually see it. Yeah. Got a fight, man. We just found the ice right here. You can see it. There was no wind. The sun out actually feels pretty warm, even though it's only well, it's 15 degrees. Yeah, that's quite warm. 15, yeah. Sorry.
Right here is so thick. Ugh. Look how deep that goes.
Whoa. Wow, this is deep stuff. Well, it's probably about 2 feet deep in spots where it's drifted down the hill. So some of it's really light, some of it's really deep. Whoa. Well, I just found it amazing how much you can warm up when it gets just a little bit warmer outside. You've moved your body a little bit and there's no wind. So you strip away those 3, you get cold very quickly, but with those 3, you feel pretty good. Ready? Set, go. There we go. Woo! Oh, man. Woo! Oh, that's so much fun. Oh. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah,
All right, let's go. Not sure how much you saw that.
Three, two, one.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh god. Oh, that's fast. Oh, oh man. That was fun. Alright, so last year we managed to put a video out every week, and it was a bit of a challenge for me to do that. So we're not going to do quite as many videos this year because we actually homeschool Leo and we need to catch up with his work a little bit because we did so many adventures at the end of last year. Of course, we had Evie as well. So we're going to work a little bit more on school the first half of the year, but we've got a lot of adventures lined up. Going to aim to do about one video every other week for a little bit, and we may get back to once a week if we have the time. We're going to concentrate on some like better content for you guys, just have some more fun together as a family. We also need to take time to like rest a little bit. We really pushed ourselves at the end of last year, so we actually need to take a step back just a little bit. But yeah, we're going to keep up with the channel. Goal is to have over 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, if not more. So if you guys like the videos, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.